Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off suggestions for emojis while we are typing in Realme 14x phone. So first of all, we need to go to settings, of course. Then in settings, we're looking for system update menu. Then we need to go to keyboard and input method. Next, manage keyboards. Then keyboard option, and here we have options and settings for our keyboards. So we need to go to stickers, emojis here, and now we're looking for predictive content search. This and it only includes emojis, stickers, and GIFs. So here we have the option for it with the switch on or off, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you, and goodbye.